Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to introduce you about PHP MySQL combination, how this PHP MySQL combination can change your career options, what are the features available on this technology, and what are the steps we can do with this wonderful technology. And let's start with digital transformations. Basically, PHP MySQL is used for web designing and application development related stuffs, and 90% of the websites and applications developed in the market is now come with PHP MySQL combinations. If you go in terms of digital marketing, PHP based applications run very well in social media sites, in Google ranking. So because of lots of flexibility available in this PHP MySQL combinations, so it ranks very well, and that's why clients prefer to use this technology for Google ranking also. Now, if you go in terms of e-commerce consultancy, 90% of the websites running in the market is designed and developed with PHP MySQL combinations. If you go in terms of mobile application, the front-end design is now going to develop via this PHP MySQL combinations. So if you talk in terms of quality, the website design with PHP MySQL combinations are looks awesome. It works very well. The execution time is very low. It loads everywhere, and that is why in whole terms it's work perfectly and generate the business for our clients. So let's move to the next slide. Few details about myself. Myself, Santosh Kumar, and I have more than 30 plus years of experience in PHP MySQL. And in this journey, I worked with many e-commerce agencies, run their social media campaigns, provided many corporate trainings for small, medium, and large organizations, and developed many applications for different clients. PHP Introduction. The full form of PHP is Personal Homepage Tools. Initially, Rasmus Ledroff made it to show his profile over internet via a website. That was appreciated a lot. It works very well. The execution time was very low and it was impressive. And, the performance level was very high in comparison to other technology at that moment. So people was impressed, and that's why they name it as Personal Homepage Tools. Later on, we made its technical name as PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. Let's see how it works. For example, we have to make a web page, contact page for our website, and we name it as contact.php. The extension should be .php file. In this file, we put PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and other things like API and whatever the required things is there. We put in this PHP file and we name it as PHP script file. Once we go to execute it, this process is known as parsing. If we had written all these things in proper way, it parse the things and it will generate a bytecode that is known as OP code also. And this bytecode will go to Zend engine, and we have different server for different purpose, and finally we get the output here. If we compare it to other technology, you can see lots of much steps is there. That's why the execution time will high, performance level will decrease, and that is why PHP is used everywhere. Uh, the PHP is basically used for making a website a dynamic one. The dynamic means there should be a functionality. So functionality related all these things can be done by PHP. For example, we have written few different functional things that is done via PHP. For example, login check. If we have put right username and password, we can enter inside a website and we can do the related work over there. If we put wrong username and password, it shows username and password is wrong. All these functional things, all this process is internally done via PHP MySQL combinations. In some websites, you go and upload different kind of different types of file, like some website in somewhere you upload video files, some website in some website you have to upload word file, excel file, pdf file. So all these things is internally processed via PHP MySQL combinations. In some website you change your name, address, mobile number and other things, that is done via PHP MySQL combinations. If you have to add more records, for example, you have to add record for your college, for school, for educational things. So all these things are done via PHP MySQL combination. Some in some website you have to fill a form that is internally processed via PHP MySQL combination. Nowadays, in many of the website, mobile OTP verification process is there. So all these things is internally processed via PHP MySQL combinations. So in whole terms, if there is functional things, we can design and develop it via PHP MySQL combinations. PHP is used. PHP have a good quality, that is faster execution time. That is why it used everywhere. It have low weight capacity. That's why in mobile apps front end design work we use PHP MySQL combinations. PHP comes for different operating system, that is free of cost. For example, for Windows we use WAMP. For Windows and Linux operating system we use XAMPP. For Linux operating system we use LAMP. For MacBook we use MAMP. So if we extract its full name, W represents for window, Apache MySQL PHP. X stands for extended Apache MySQL PHP. LAMP represents for Linux, Apache MySQL PHP. MAP represents for Mac, Apache MySQL PHP. In all these combinations, you will find all these things are common. Apache is used for request processing. So internal request processing is done via this Apache. MySQL is used for database, and PHP is used for functional things. So different operating system have different server, and we can use it as per our requirement. So it's a great tool, and you can learn it as per your requirement. PHP workflow in details. Here we have taken one example of one contact web page for our website, and we can use this contact page for two different purposes, like for emailing the entered items, to a registered email ID, or we can save the entered uh, item details inside a website, inside a database. So these two different things can be done internally via PHP MySQL combination. So all functional things can be done via PHP MySQL combination. JavaScript. JavaScript is used for validation purpose. If you have not entered or the this field is empty, once submitting this form, you will find you must enter your name. You must enter your email address. If email ID is not in proper format, error message prompts that please enter right email address. So all this thing validation process is done via JavaScript. CSS and HTML is used to design the layout of our web page. What will the color combination, how it looks, what will the coloring things. So all these things can be done via CSS HTML combination. So finally, we put all these things inside a web page, a PHP script file, and we try to execute it. If all these things in proper standard format, the passing will done, and you will find a OP code that is known as bytecode also, and this bytecode will goes to Zen engine, that is also known as our server, and finally you will get the output. The question is why we learn PHP MySQL. If we can see it in terms of job opportunity, web designing company or 90% of the software development company follow PHP MySQL as a tool to develop their projects. WordPress, Facebook, Baidu, Tumblr, Flickr, Flipkart, Shadi.com, Bharat Matrimonial. All these things are made in with PHP MySQL combinations. If we go for application development, CMS, customer relationship management, school based projects like test series, online examinations, ERP, billing softwares. So all these things can be done via PHP MySQL combinations. For mobile apps development, we have to use Laravel, CodeIgniter, Symfony, Kik PHP, Zend framework. All these things are framework of PHP MySQL. If we see in terms of market share, 75 to 80% of companies use PHP MySQL as a tool to develop their projects. So in all terms, you can find it. It's a good career growth. It gives good career growth. And if you join any company, they generally ask minimum qualification as graduation pass. If you pass out with IT background like BTech, MCA, BSc, IT, so it's a golden opportunity to learn PHP MySQL. If you are a logical minded person, 100% it is this course is for you. If you know C, C++, TMS, it's really fantastic course for you because most of the things is near to this technology. But if you are a creative minded, you are good in designing, you are good in color combinations. So we recommend that please don't join this course. And if you join a company, the related job profile you can find inside a company are SQL developer, software developer, PHP developer, software engineer. So all these things are uh, job post available for you. Just learn it and join these different posts. 90% code is available in different websites. It's very easy to learn. It is much flexible in web and mobile apps development. Since it's open source, so it's most of its components are free of cost. You can just go there and download it, and it's even very easy to install. It's a free platform to learn and grow. So I hope it's all indicates that if you learn PHP MySQL, so job guarantee and market is open for you. So you can join this course. If we see PHP MySQL as a pre-COVID-19 analysis, this is the record of April 2015. Here in this record, the market share of PHP is 82%, and other related things is is given here. So even after post COVID, uh, this this is, ratio will go continue. So it's good for you to join any company, and if you learn PHP MySQL, it's a good opportunity to for you. If you are a client, and we can see it in client's perspective, so PHP servers are very available in cheap rate in comparison to other competitive technology available in the market. So PHP servers are very cheap. Database MySQL is free of cost. Development cost is very low. Server management is very easy. Developer easily available, and it is used for both web and mobile apps development. So if you are a client, so it's good to go with PHP MySQL combinations, and will uh, it it will be good for you in terms of money investment, because it's good even for fast execution time, lightweighted technologies there, and it can be used for mobile apps development. So in all terms, you are in win-win situation, and in digital transformations, different works is there. Web development, responsive website designing, corporate web designing, website redesigning, website marketing. So all in these things, PHP is good. Related technologies like Magento, WordPress, Joomla, OS Commerce, PrestaShop. These are the easiest way for to learn PHP. For payment gateway integration, PHP is very good option for you. If we see PHP MySQL in terms of this lockdown period, so one case study shows that the internet access during this lockdown period grows day by day, and every company wants to sell their products or services online. Every company wants to expand their business in multiple countries. So it all indicates that if you learn PHP MySQL now, it the future is good for you. And if you like it, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.